Teriyaki salmon with roasted vegetables. Ingredients: 4 salmon fillets, 1/2 cup soy sauce, 1/4 cup honey, 2 cloves garlic, minced 1 tablespoon ginger, grated 1 tablespoon rice vinegar, 2 tablespoons olive oil, salt and pepper. To taste, 4 cups mixed vegetables such as bell peppers, broccoli, and carrots, chopped sesame seeds. For garnish, green onions, chopped. For garnish instructions: preheat the oven to 400° F, 200° C. In a small bowl, whisk together the soy sauce, honey, garlic, ginger, and rice vinegar. Place the salmon fillets in a shallow dish and pour the marinade over them. Marinate for at least 30 minutes. Heat olive oil in a large oven-safe skillet over medium-high heat. Add the salmon fillets, reserving the marinade. Sear the salmon for 2-3 minutes on each side, then remove from the skillet and set aside. Add the mixed vegetables to the skillet and cook for 5-7 minutes, or until slightly tender. Return the salmon to the skillet. Pour the reserved marinade over the salmon and vegetables. Transfer the skillet to the preheated oven and bake for 12-15 minutes, or until the salmon is cooked through. Remove from the oven and garnish with sesame seeds and green onions. Serve the teriyaki salmon and vegetables hot, with rice if desired. Tips: use fresh salmon for the best flavor and texture. Adjust the honey in the teriyaki sauce to suit your taste preferences. Add a splash of mirin or sake to the marinade for extra depth of flavor. Ensure the vegetables are chopped evenly to ensure even cooking. For a vegetarian version, substitute tofu for the salmon. Garnish with a squeeze of fresh lime juice for a citrusy twist. Serve with a side of steamed rice or noodles for a complete meal. Make extra marinade to drizzle over the finished dish for added flavor. Experiment with different vegetables, such as zucchini or mushrooms. For a spicy kick, add some sriracha or crushed red pepper flakes to the marinade. Create a culinary masterpiece with our teriyaki salmon with roasted vegetables recipe. Whether you're a seasoned chef or just starting out, this dish is sure to impress. So gather your ingredients and get ready to embark on a culinary adventure that will tantalize your taste buds and leave you craving more.
Welcome to Brewed Content, where we blend a variety of flavors to create a unique viewing experience. I'm Ms.Coffee, a seasoned freelancer in web graphics and design,